Hey guys, it's Erin here with another video. As you can tell by the title, I'm doing a bun tutorial. How to get the perfect top knot bun every single time. Pretty foolproof, pretty easy, and it's pretty quick. So if you're interested, just stay tuned for the video. So what you're gonna need for this style is a scarf, a headband, and then a couple bobby pins. So let's just get started. I'm gonna wrap my hair in this. And I wrap it from the front. Like this, and make sure I like where it's at before I finish wrapping. I think it's centered, so yeah. And as I wrap, this is the key. As you wrap, you have to go upward. You can't just wrap around the scarf. Like you can't wrap the scarf around itself. You have to wrap the scarf upward so it gets tall, like this. And then I'm just gonna knot it on the side. Like that. And here's your ponytail. I'll back up so you can see it, because it's pretty tall. Okay? There you go. So now, to form the bun, like, the way I'm gonna do it is so that way it looks stacked, because that's kind of how I like it. So, I'm gonna take this half, and I'm going to twist it in a loose twist. This is just to keep the hair together, okay? And then I'm going to wrap this around the scarf like this and underneath that section of hair. And then bobby pin the end so that way it stays in place. And make sure you kind of bobby pin it downwards because you know the scarf is going to be in the way. Okay. Now that that's in place, you're going to take the majority of this section and wrap it around so the black is not showing anymore. And I'm just going to wrap it downwards and then up like this. And then bobby pin this section into place. There it is. And then this last part here, we're going to wrap the opposite direction. And then you're going to secure everything with your headband. Like this. And some hairs may come out of place, but you can just put them back in place as much as you want, okay? Make sure your headband is covered. Not a few hairs on my forehead. There we go. And that's your top knot. And it comes out pretty perfectly every time. And don't mind my lock because it needs to be, but yeah. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And